Hello guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So this is my NaNoWriMo check-in. So I'm gonna make it a short video because it's not a lot going on but writing. So I will be vlogging daily for books that I'm reading. So this is just dedicated to NaNoWriMo. So this is my 6th year doing NaNoWriMo, and yeah, I am this is probably the first year where everything is different. So let me put this on mute. Where everything is different because my schedule changed. So how I write and how I have to balance the time is a little bit off compared to the last five rounds that I've done. So I'm having to adjust to that, and that's like the major issue I'm having. I'm still a night writer. So even yet, you know, I've been home I took a 3-day weekend, and I still end up having writing at night because I just feel like that hasn't changed. I'm still a night writer for whatever reason. Today I'm forcing myself to do a little bit more writing during the day, and then I'm still gonna write in the night. It's because I got things to do tomorrow's work, so I'm meal prepping. I have to do that, and I have all these projects that I typically do on the weekends. So let's me get in the show and tell you guys. So I showed you guys my tag that I do. I'm using it. So in the back of the tag it tells you the last 4 days. So this is day number 5. So the first day I had 1766. Now I pushed to get that because I didn't have the rhythm of what I really wanted to do. I was not completely clear on it. Again, I would run into this project, just hop in it, just to do it, just because I felt like I had something to write about. The next day it was a little bit more, so I had 1887. So I was getting there. So I was over the 3K, close to the 4, you know. And then day 3 I started getting my mojo. This is when I'm getting over the 2K. So I had 2,473 word count that day. So I was now over the 6K. So I was so happy about that because now I had the rhythm of the characters and how I want this story to be told between the characters. So if you're not familiar, I write Caribbean romance. All my books have been Caribbean romance, oftentimes mixed with family drama, and they are usually Caribbean. As far as Jamaican, there are other Caribbean islands that I will spice it up with. The story often has immigration theme as well, but they always end up on the island of Jamaica at some point. So just that's all I'm going to give you. So yesterday was another 2K moment. So I had 2,120. So that gave me over the 8K. So the goal today is to get to the 10K. I already started having my notes. This time around I'm not showing you my notes, but I have notes for the chapter that I'm going to be working on today, and I'm excited for it because now it's getting to the nitty-gritty where I'm starting to have a lot more going on versus the beginning where it's just more about getting a sense of the history between these two characters. Not going to tell you what the theme is because I kind of want to do something different with the theme. So I'm not going to tell you what the theme is, but just know they're educated, they are career driven, they've had messy relationships, and they have complicated relationship with their parents. That's all I'm going to give you. How they became friends, how they have been each other's protector. That is what I covered so far, but I'm digging in more, and I'm gonna do more. I'm excited for this. So right now I'm gonna do some writing and then cook and then get back to writing, and let's see if we could get to the 10K today because I need to get to the 10K today. So yeah. Also, I'm doing a blog post, so guys, I'm doing the most today because I literally just wrote a blog post and I'm going to edit it later and probably post it tomorrow. But at least I wrote it. That's why let's look at it. I wrote it, so it will get edited at some point, and it'll be up for you guys to see for my monthly wrap up. So yeah, let's get some writing done, guys. Yeah, I did good today. Guys. So as you can see, goal was 10K, got over 11K. So I'm at 11,318. So for the day, over 3,000, which is the highest so far that I've done in a day. And it's not late, guys. It looks late, but it's not even that late. It's about 6 o'clock. But this weather is not the weather. What am I saying? The time change, it sucks. I'm not a fan of this time of the year when the clock change. And the clock change, so of course it looks later when it's really not that late. But I am going to stop because I have a sewing project I need to iron out, and I'm going to put a movie in and hem the bottom because I'm hand stitching the bottom while I'm watching a movie. And that will be it for the day because I don't think I'm doing any more. Only thing I'm going to do is finish my outline for the next chapter because I ended this chapter. I'm going into another chapter, and that is the goal, is to outline that chapter. Yeah, that's the goal. So what am I saying? Not outline, because I did outline it. Add some stuff. And I think that's what helped me this time around, because I added so much stuff that I wanted to put in this particular chapter that I was able to really write, and not so much trying to think of certain things while I'm doing it, because I had the plan for that chapter written out. So I think I'm going to do that, and that's going to be something different again, because I'm a winger. I tend to just want to sit down and just write and let things come to me. But I think that helped a little. But I'm looking forward to the next chapter. The next chapter is drama. So, you know, Jamaican parents, yes. So we'll see how that goes. There's not a lot of smut going on at all yet. There is going to be some, but not yet. And there's just going to be some things happening, and it's getting there. So I'm in the mood. And I'm glad I got to, what did they say? What percentage is this? Where am I at? 23% in day 5. Can't complain. So if you guys doing NaNoWriMo, how you guys doing? Or let me know. I could like check out if you do videos or if you do any shorts. The intention was to do shorts, but I think this time, just for intro's sake, I decided just to do this. So I'm going to end this here. I am going to get some tea. And like I said, start doing some hemming of my project. Yeah. See you guys in the next one. Bye. Yeah.